Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can send an email in Gmail using your Android. It is super simple, guys, so let us show you really quickly how to do that. So what you want to do in the first step is launch the Gmail application on your Android, and after that, here on your home screen, tap on that pencil icon in the bottom right corner here. So you may start by, for example, entering the recipient's email address here where it says to. So do that in the first step. After that, enter a subject below, so tap on it and type in your subject, and after that tap on compose email below to fill your email with text. So let me add some example text here, and that's basically it. Alternatively, guys, or additionally, you may attach an email file or a file to your email by tapping on that paperclip icon here and attach a file from your device. And after that, once you're ready, guys, simply tap on that arrow to the right icon here to send the email to the given address. However, guys, as you can see, I haven't added any recipient email address yet. So obviously you will need to do that by entering your recipient's email address here next to. And that's it, guys. That's how it works in practice. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.